Hello friends, this is Rajesh K. Singh inviting you on my YouTube channel OG Global. It is very sure that practically we all are immense Hollywood fanatics. So the present video will be about the best 10 actor male of Hollywood in the year 2020. We have finished the power position based on specific factors, for example, net worth, popularity and acting abilities. Allow us to start with number 10. Number 10 is Henry Cavill, was born in St. Helier, Jersey on 5th May 1983. He is a British actor. He began his career with roles in the feature adaptations of The Count of Monte Cristo and I Captured the Castle. He later appeared in supporting roles in several television series including BBC's The Inspector Lynley Mysteries, ITV's Midsomer Murder and Showtime's The Tudors. He has since appeared in numerous major Hollywood films such as Tristan and Isolde, Stardust, Blood Creek and Immortal. Number 9 is Chris Evans, was born in Boston, Massachusetts on June 13, 1981. He is an American actor. He first gained attention in 2005 at the Marvel comic character Human Torch in Fantastic Four and its sequel, and later gained further worldwide attention for his portrayals of Steve Rogers' Captain America in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, appearing in 11 films including 4 cameos. This work in the later film series established him as one of the highest paid actors in the world. Number 8. Will Smith was born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania on September 25, 1968. He is an American actor and rapper. In April 2007, Newsweek called him the most powerful actor in Hollywood. Smith has been nominated for 5 Golden Globe Awards and 2 Academy Awards and has won 4 Grammy Awards. He first hit the screen with the movie The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air and has remained fresh ever since. Other top movies he features include Man in Black, Independence Day, Focus and the recent Suicide Squad. Number 7. Dwayne Johnson was born in Hayward, California on 2nd May 1972. He is also known by his ring name The Rock. He is an American-Canadian actor, producer, businessman, retired professional wrestler and former professional football player. He was a professional wrestler for World Wrestling Federation for 8 years prior to pursuing an acting career. His films have grossed over $3.5 billion in North America and over $10.5 billion worldwide, making him one of the highest grossing box office stars of the all time. Number 6. Leonardo DiCaprio was born in Los Angeles, California on 11th November 1974. He is an American actor, producer and environmentalist. He has often played unconventional parts, particularly in biopics and period films. As of 2019, his films have earned US $7.2 billion worldwide and he has placed 8 times in annual ranking of the world's highest paid actor. He was finally awarded an Oscar award in 2016. Number 5. Bradley Cooper was born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania on January 5, 1975. He is an American actor and filmmaker. He has been nominated for many awards including 8 Academy Awards and Tony Awards and has won 2 Grammy Awards and BAFTA Awards. Cooper appeared in Forbes Celebrity 100 on 3 occasions and Time's list of 100 most influential people in the world in 2015. His films have grossed $11 billion worldwide and he has named one of the world's highest paid actors for 4 years. Number 4. Matt Damon was born in Cambridge, Massachusetts on 8 October 1970. He is an American actor, film producer and screenwriter. He is ranked among Forbes magazine most bankable stars and he is one of the highest grossing actors for all time. Matt Damon has received various accolades including an Academy Awards for 5 nominations and has been nominated for 3 British Academy Films Awards and 7 Emmy Awards. Number Number 3. Christopher Hemsworth was born in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia on 11th August 1983. He is an Australian actor. He first rose to prominence in Australia playing Kim Hyde in the Australian television series Home and Away. Before beginning a film career in Hollywood, Hemsworth is best known for playing Thor in 8 Marvel Cinematic Universe films, beginning with Thor and appearing most recently Avengers Endgame, which established him as one of the leading and highest paid actor in the world. Number 2. Johnny Depp was born in Owensboro, Kentucky on June 9, 1963. He is an American actor, singer, producer and musician. He has been nominated for 10 Golden Globe Awards, winning one of the best actor of his performance of the title role in Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber actor Fleet Street, and has been nominated for 3 Academy Awards for Best Actor among other accolades. He has received the Screen Actors Guild Award and the Golden Globe Awards for his spectacular talent. Number 1. Robert John Downey Jr. was born in Manhattan, New York on April 4th, 1965. He began his career as young as age 5 when he starred in his father's film Pound. He subsequently worked with the Brad Pitt in the teen films Weird Science and Less Than Zero. In 1992, Downey portrayed the title character in biopic Chaplin, for which he was nominated for the Academy Awards for Best Actor and he won BAFTA Award. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. So far, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe and be safe and take care. Goodbye.